Good morning, everyone. Let's make some money today. It is currently 9:27 a.m. It is July 25th. You guys are taking a look at the 2-minute time frame here. Let's go over our dashboard above here, take a look at our metrics, and let's see if we can pull out $200. Right now, you guys can tell we do have this white line money momentum shifting up to the market, which is a great sign that money is now pushing the price higher. Now, it just ended up getting a buy signal at this level here at 4,588.25. That was a great entry into the market. Currently set up a few points. I did not get into that trade at that point. I'm just now getting on the computer and I want to show you guys my analysis. Now, you guys, overall, this middle band is still green, showing bull market momentum. So that means overall, we still want to be looking to go long in the market. I'm going to go over here and actually buy the market right now. We're going to go ahead and go for 1 point or 4 ticks in the market. Trading with 4 lots, this can equate to $200. So what we want to end up doing is having our stop loss. You always want to have a stop loss and always want to have a take profit. The swing low on this is going to be pretty low on this. So it's going to be 4,588.50. 4,588.50. 4,588.50. Let me actually get to the right one here. There you go. So that's our stop. There's our take profit. So that's going to be 4,588.50. You guys see how I'm putting this right at the swing low of this? And then we're going to be going to see if we can actually break above this previous high, since we are overall, all the metrics still in combination to the upside. Now, this can reverse against us just for a little bit. And what I'm going to look for is whenever you're entering into trades, if you end up getting into a position that doesn't look like it's going to pan out, you can either take it at break even, or what you really want to do is just make sure that the 2-minute time frame, the candles that you're looking at, are all still in a bull market momentum. Now, a good strong bullish candle, this is Heiken-Nosh in the 2-minute time frame, is when you have this solid body with a wick out the top. That is a great candle to show a continuation to the upside. If you start to see either doji candles, for example, these right here on the chart, this is where, and possibly what we're forming right now, this is where you could actually see a little bit like a consolidation and then reversal to the downside, since we're testing a level of resistance. What I like about this, though, is I like how we've tested this a couple times and we've got strong momentum behind it. So with that being said, that's why I want to see if we can just get a quick little push higher in the market, and that'll give us a point, or should be able to give us a point, and be able to close it out. So I'm going to stay here live with you guys and follow this entire trade from start to finish. Then we'll go over to trade of 8. I'll show you guys the P&L for the day, the profit or loss that we end up making off of this trade. Now, this is the 2-minute time frame. Guys, let's dive over to the 5-minute time frame real quick and take a look at those metrics. So right now we did end up getting a signal here at 4,588.75. Just want to push to the upside. You guys can tell over here. Let's actually go back to our 2-minute real quick and see if we can actually just close out of this trade on the 2-minute time frame. So 5-minute time frame, as you guys could see, was actually still showing overall momentum to the upside. So if you're ever wondering where the overall trend is going, just go 1 time frame up, and if all that is still confirmed as well, then go back to your original time frame, which for me, I love trading the 2-minute time frame because you can literally get on a computer very quick, analyze the market, and then if everything's going in your direction, you can then enter into a trade and then pull money out. So let's stay here live with you guys a little bit, kind of fluctuating between $50 down and also break even. We do just want to go for 1 point in the market here, and this will end up closing out. So let's stay here a little bit. Again, if we end up breaking above this level here, which is just a previous level of resistance in the market, this is where you can actually typically see this run much more than a point. So this could break through this and actually continue up much higher. Now, I'd rather you guys go for, in the way I like to teach trading futures, is I like to go for at least 1 point in the market, trade with 4 lots, which would be $200, and try to do that at least 1 to 2 times a day. If you have an hour to 2 hours in the morning before work, this is a really good strategy that you guys can use to be able to pull out a little bit of money. Now, $200 to $400 in a day is a lot of money for a lot of people who are either at a 9-to-5 job or just to want to kind of supplement some of their income. And these are the strategies, these are the metrics that I'm using to be able to do these trades live with you guys and also just give you the education. So I'm hoping you guys are finding a lot of education. If you guys do click the like and subscribe button, I do go live and do these videos multiple times in a week, probably 3 to 4 times a week. And then I also do larger stock analysis on more swing trades that you guys can follow me here on this channel. Again, to just get as much education as possible. And at the end of the day, the end result is I want to make money trading, and I want to help you guys make money trading as well. Let's see if we can get this push up a little bit higher here and see if we can close this out. What's nice over here on Trade of 8 is I like how that has this green line. If you guys can see that, that is actually going to show you just the high on the day. So that's another place where you can either put this. So if you take profit, you can just stick it right below. If you break through this, I can guarantee you're going to see a nice increase to the upside. And that's where you can see this blast way past and through. But we don't want to get greedy or anything like that. I'd rather just go for a point in the market and try to just pull that out. Let's go back over here to the 5-minute time frame real quick and see what's happening. I know we were just looking at that a second ago. Let's look at all of our metrics on here. So 5-minute time frame, middle band is completely green. I do really like how that's still looking on the chart. White line money momentum still heading up, not yet in this top red section. So that's telling me that we do have a bit more of momentum to go here. Typically when you do get into this top red section, you guys look directly left right here. This is where we then saw the decrease in price. Also here, a couple areas in the market. This is where we saw a quick little sell-off. So we're not there just yet. So being patient and overall trading with the trend on this is going to be something that I want to be more confident in. I just want to be patient within this trade. So again, everything heading up, green dot key may crossover at this spot right now. It does look like we want to test this and kind of go a little bit higher. And this is where we could potentially see a breakout even higher on this. Buying pressure, you guys can tell, 110, 120 to about 40, 50. So we are getting a little more buying pressure coming through. And this is where you guys can tell on the DOM or depth of market, where you guys can see the buying or selling pressure even within the different price zones to see if we're actually going to see a push higher or not. See if there's any more buyers stepping in or sellers stepping in. Let's go back over here to the 2-minute time frame. Everything still actually looks good. We are, however, if you guys can tell, we are making a little bit of a lower high on this money momentum. So I just want to keep an eye on that. Our middle band, however, is still solid green. So that does still show that overall within this trend, it is still bull market momentum. If that were to shift over and start to go to red, this is going to be an indication that I just need to manage this position where I either want to be looking to go out or possibly just break even. Right now, you guys can tell we are getting a nice candle here. This is forming more bullish. Take a look on the right hand side over here. Let's just keep an eye on this. 150. If we go for one more tick in the market, 459275. There we go. Order closed out. So that is $200 profit. Been doing this video for literally, 6 minutes and 59 seconds. Let's just say 7 minutes analyzing the market. You guys can tell we actually end up hitting and making a new high on the day. So that was $200 taken out of the market just like that. Now I want to let you guys know, let's go over to the chart here. Let's go ahead and go to, let's get out of there. Let's go to this one here. Oh, sorry guys. Let me go here and let's go to today. Let's go to today, and you guys can tell this was the $200 that we ended up taking out of the market. Ended up taking number of trades was 1, ended up winning trades was 1, and 0 losing trades. So we are now done for the day. We're not going to be trading anymore. That is it. I like to just go for, again, like 1 to 2 in the day. So that's a really good profit. If you guys want to follow along with all these metrics, you guys can actually do so. You guys type in simple market metrics or just click the link in the description. It's going to give you access to all the metrics that you see on my charts, the advanced dashboard, linear regression, support and resistance, multiple time frame, everything that I use each day to be able to pull out a couple $100 in the market. You guys are going to be able to get access to. Just head over to simple market metrics. When you guys go to add a chart, or excuse me, add a cart, this will then ask you guys if you want to join our Discord. We do have a very good Discord where myself do trade call outs throughout the week. I also have a 7-figure day trader, so $1 million day trader who also trades alongside with me to help out our team just to find the best setups in the market using simple market metric indicators. If you guys have any questions, please leave a comment in the comments below. My name is Justin. Thank you guys so much for following. Have a great day. I'll see you back tomorrow for another 200.